Good evening, students.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sorry, I'm late. Give me 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
So, how you wrote your exam?
Good, ma'am.
Good, ma'am.
Wrote
Good.
well.
Were able to answer everything? Who are there in the class? Hamsini, Neeraj, Jovya. Only you four people are there. Remaining are not there. Attending the classes. Okay, no problem. Shall we start the discussion of the paper?
Okay, ma'am.
So if you have your paper also, you can open. I'm just trying to open the paper. How is the essay case study question? You are able to answer this case study question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We're
ma'am.
able to answer.
You're able to answer? So please remember, in this exam, it will be board exams, you will be getting case studies. Okay? There will be one compulsory case study, one assertion and reasoning. Okay? Only difference between the board paper and my paper is, board paper usually you get only 14 marks for 1 mark questions. Okay? But I gave you all how much I have given you all?
31 mark, ma'am.
30 marks. I think so. Only difference will be there. There will be more number of 5 marks question than what I have given you. Okay? Because you are well versed with the 5 marks questions. I gave the important ones. I did not give many 5 marks questions. So let us start. I'm just about to share. 1 minute. Opening the file. One minute. I'm not able to join the meeting again. 1 minute. Marco, please come here. Join meeting. Not happening. Can you see? I think so. This is not the paper, no?
Yes, ma'am. This is the paper.
This is not the paper, ma'am.
This is the paper? No. Can any of you share the paper? I'm not able to get the paper.
Ma'am, in group?
1 minute, ma. I'm not able to. 1 minute. Okay, I got it. I got it. This is the paper, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let us start. Photosynthesis is what? Metabolic process? Parabolic process?
Photochemical process, ma'am.
Photochemical process.
Photochemical. Yes. It's a photochemical process. Okay. But if they don't give you photochemical, you can also put on amphipolic process also. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I'm not putting marks. I don't have this. It's not in a PDF file. It is in a Word document. So I cannot put any marks. Please note down yourself. Okay. Next question. Tell me the answer.
Trypsin.
You only read the question.
Which of these juices is secreted by pancreas?
Ah.
Option A, trypsin. Option B, pepsin. Option C, bile juice. Option D, both 1 and 2.
Hmm.
Option A is the correct answer, ma'am.
Option?
A.
Yes, option A. Trypsin and what are present? Any idea?
Pancreatic amylase, lipase.
Amylase and lipase. Yes, correct. Next one. Third one. Who is going to read it out?
Proteins after digestion are converted into A. Carbohydrates, B. Small globules, C. Amino acids, D. Starch. Answer is C. Amino acids.
Answer is C. Amino acids, not D.
C, amino acid.
Okay. Next question. Start reading one by one. Go ahead.
Transfusion of blood during the pumping of blood by heart is prevented by walls of ventricles, walls of atrium, valves in heart, walls between atria and ventricles. And the answer is C, ma'am. Option C. Valves
Yes,
in
valves in heart. What type of valves? Those are?
Bicuspid and tricuspid valves, ma'am.
No, back to heart.
Ma'am, semilunar valves, ma'am.
Semilunar valves. Okay. Next one. Next, who is the? Go as a cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Who is the next?
Hamsini have to read, ma'am, but she is telling her mic is not working, ma'am.
Okay. Next, read.
Yes, ma'am. A pure of iodine solution were added to rice water. The solution turned blue-black in color. This indicates that rice water contains A. Complex proteins, B. Simple proteins, option C. Fats, and option D. Starch. Ma'am, the answer is option D, ma'am. Starch.
Okay. Next.
In which
I hope all of you know all these. These are simple ones only.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
In which of the following vertebrate group or groups heart does not pump oxygenated blood to different parts of the body? A. Species and amphibians, B. Amphibians and reptiles, C. Amphibians only, D. Species only.
What answer is?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is what?
D, ma'am.
Species and amphibians also. At tadpole stage, they will be having a single circulation only. Please remember.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
then the answer should be A, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
In tadpole stage, amphibians also have a single circulation. Whereas adult stage, they have a double circulation, incomplete double circulation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next one.
Which is the first enzyme to mix with food in the digestive tract? Option A, pepsin. Option B, cellulose. Option C, amylase. Option D, trypsin. Ma'am, the answer is option C, amylase.
Yes, correct. Next.
Lack of oxygen in muscles often leads to cramps among cricketers. This results due to option A, conversion of pyruvate to ethanol. Option B, conversion of pyruvate to glucose. Option C, non-conversion of glucose to pyruvate. Option D, conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. And the answer is option D, ma'am. Conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid.
Yes, correct. Next one.
Identify the false statement. A. The right atrium of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body. B. Inflammation and flatworms occur through flame cells. A human kidney contains 1 million nephrons. D. Tracheids are non-living conducting tissues. Ma'am, answer is B.
Answer is D. Tracheids are non-living conductive tissues. Okay. Please, that is a false statement. Tracheids are the living conductive tissues and where they are present?
In xylem, ma'am.
They are present in the xylem. Okay. Next one, 10th one.
Which of the following statements about autotrophs is incorrect? Option A. They synthesize carbohydrates by using carbon dioxide, water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Option B. They store carbohydrates in the form of starch. Option C. They convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates in the absence of sunlight. Option D. They form the first trophic level in the food chain. And the answer is option C. They convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates in the absence of sunlight.
Yes. Next one, 11th.
Choose the following of pancreatic juice from the choose the function of pancreatic juice from the following. Option A, trypsin digests proteins and lipase digests carbohydrates. Option B, trypsin digests emulsified fats and lipase digests proteins. Option C, trypsin and lipase digests fats. Option D, trypsin digests proteins and lipase digests emulsified fats. And the answer is option D, trypsin digests proteins and lipase digests.
Next one.
The correct sequence of anaerobic respiration: A. Glucose to pyruvate to lactic acid. B. Glucose to pyruvate to carbon dioxide plus ethanol. C. Glucose to pyruvate to ADP to lactic acid. D. Glucose to pyruvate to carbon dioxide plus ethanol plus energy. Ma'am, the answer is D.
Answer is
D.
D.
Yes, ma'am.
Glucose to
Glucose to pyruvate to carbon dioxide plus ethanol plus energy.
carbon dioxide will be released. Will be any release of carbon dioxide? Energy will be released with ethanol. Just once cross check. Again and tell me the answer. It's A, option A.
Ma'am, no ma'am. In book also it's given, ma'am. In absence of oxygen is ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if the first one have to be correct means then the options have to be lactic acid plus energy also it should be mentioned, ma'am.
Only 2 ATP, Nama.
Yes, ma'am. Absence of oxygen in yeast, 2 ATP, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see. I'll cross check and get you back. Okay. Next, 13th one.
Which of the statements is correct regarding bile? Option A, secreted by duct and stored in liver. Option B, secreted by liver and stored in bile duct. Option C, secreted by liver and stored in gallbladder. Option D, secreted by gallbladder and stored in liver. And the right answer is option C, ma'am. Secreted by liver and stored in gallbladder.
Yes. Next, 14th.
Xylem helps in option A, transportation of water. Option B, translocation of food. Option C, both A and B. Option D, transportation of water and minerals. And the correct answer is option D, ma'am. Transportation of water and minerals.
Yes, of transportation of water and minerals. Please remember, even minerals are transported by xylem only. Next one, 15th one.
Which of the following statements is true about respiration? A. During inhalation, ribs move inward and diaphragm is raised. B. In the alveoli, exchange of gases takes place. That is, oxygen from alveolar air diffuses. C. To blood and carbon dioxide from blood into alveolar sacs. D. Hemoglobin has a greater affinity for carbon dioxide than oxygen. Alveoli does not help in increasing surface area for exchange of gases. Mom, answer is B.
The answer is B. Remaining statements are wrong because
C is also true, ma'am. Carbon dioxide from blood into alveolar
wrote option B and C, ma'am. Question is as statement or statements, ma'am. So that I wrote option B and C, ma'am.
Same.
B and C. Actually, here there is a small mistake. Okay, I think so. Diffuses into the blood and carbon dioxide from the blood into the alveoli. It's a single one. Okay, I was confused. Okay, whoever keep both or each either of them, you will get the marks. Okay.
Yes.
Next one, 16th.
Thrombocytis is another name for option A, red corpuscles, option B, platelets, option C, plasma, option D, white blood corpuscles. And the right answer is option B, platelets.
Yes. How many? All of you have written this? Whoever are there, 4 members?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Still did not got your paper, so. Next one.
Translocalization utilizes energy from ATP to transfer dash into phloem tissue. Option A, sugar. Option B, fat. Option C, potassium. Option D, lipid. And the correct answer is sugar, ma'am.
Yes.
Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? A. Vitamin A2, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin E4, D. Vitamin K. Ma'am, vitamin K.
Option is?
Option D.
Yes, correct. You know this one? All of you have put it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, 19th one.
Which of the following parts of plants is the storehouse of energy? Option A, flowers. Option B, branches. Option C, roots. Option D, leaves. And the right answer is option D, leaves.
Yeah. Next one.
Choose the forms in which most plants absorb nitrogen. Option A, proteins and nitrates and nitrites. Option B, nitrates and nitrites and urea. Option C, urea and atmospheric nitrogen. Option D, proteins and atmospheric nitrogen. And the answer, correct answer is nitrates and nitrites and urea, ma'am.
Yes, nitrates, nitrites, and urea. Nitrates means what?
Nitrate, ammonia, ma'am.
No mass. Chemical formula.
NO2, ma'am.
Nitrate, nitrite,
Nitrate, NO3. Okay.
nitrate, nitrite, and ammonia. So again, here one thing I want to, I already told you all, no? NO2 will be converted to NO3. Ammonia will be converted to NO2. NO2 will be converted to NO3. Okay. How it is converted is with the help of microorganisms. Okay. You want to know the, I think so, no need of names of the microorganisms for you all. Okay. Usually the atmospheric nitrogen will be converted to ammonia. Ammonia will be converted to nitrite. Nitrite will be converted to nitrate. Okay. Again, the nitrate will be converted back to atmospheric nitrogen. This is all is known as nitrogen cycle. Next one.
In which of the following groups of organisms food material is A. Mushroom, green plants, amoeba. B. Yeast, mushroom, bread mold. C. Paramecium, amoeba, cascata. D. Cascata, lice, tapeworm. Ma'am, I don't understand the question, ma'am.
In which of the following groups of organism? Okay. Here question gone.
Ma'am, but I wrote option B, ma'am. Yeast, mushroom, and bread mold.
I wrote option B, ma'am.
It's actually option B, means where the food material is digested outside the body. Mostly for the saprophytic nutrition, usually they depend on the dead and decaying, no? But this, so it is based on the saprophytic nutrition. This question is based on saprophytic nutrition. Answer is B is correct option. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Whereas cascata, lice, and tapeworm are the parasitic nutrition. Now, 22 to 25. You want to study the paragraph, one of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
A dialysis machine is a machine designed to remove waste from the blood. It is used when the kidney fails or when the blood acidity, urea, or potassium levels increase much above normal. In kidney dialysis, blood flows through a system of tubes composed of partially permeable membranes.
Hmm.
Dialysis fluid has a composition similar to blood, except that the concentration of wastes is low.
Hmm.
It flows in opposite direction to the blood on the outside of the dialysis tubes. Consequently, waste products like urea diffuses from the blood into the dialysis fluid, which is constantly replaced.
Hmm.
The dialysis fluid flows at a rate of several hundred centimeter cube per minute over a large surface area. For some people, dialysis is an ongoing procedure, but for others, dialysis just allows the kidneys to rest and recover.
Hmm. Tell me. I'll read out the question, you tell me the answers. Okay, I'll put the paragraph so that you can tell me. Wait a minute. Kidney dialysis. Explain why the dialysis solution is constantly replaced rather than be circulated. Who will answer it? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, in kidney dialysis, the dialysis solution is constantly replaced because if it is being recirculated, the waste will go into the blood once again, ma'am. And as the kidneys aren't functioning properly, the waste will not be filtered out.
And there will be no tubular reabsorption also. So it should be constantly replaced. Next one. What you told is correct only. Next, give reasons why the dialysis solution flows in opposite direction to the blood.
Ma'am, I wrote on my own, ma'am. Is that okay, ma'am? May I tell that?
Tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the blood flows in one direction and the dialysate flows in the opposite direction, ma'am. The counter current flow of the blood and the dialysate maximizes the concentration of gradient of solutes between the blood and the dialysate, ma'am. So the increased gradient helps to remove the more potassium, phosphorus, urea, and the creatinine from the blood, ma'am.
Correct. Correct answer. What you use the word counter current? No. It is the most correct answer. Remaining people, what you wrote?
Ma'am, I used the word gradients, but I didn't write counter current.
Okay, please mention the keyword counter current also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If they give the question like this. Okay. Next one. What is the best long-term solution for kidney failure?
Hemodialysis, ma'am.
No, long-term solution.
Ma'am, kidney transplantation.
Kidney transplantation. Dialysis is a short-term solution, whereas long-term solution is always kidney transplantation. Okay. How is artificial kidney different from the natural one?
Reabsorption will not take place, ma'am.
Yes, reabsorption does not take place. Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
What, ma?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the case study question you will be getting. Okay. They have from last year it was introduced. Mostly you will be getting it in your 1 mark question. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay. Next one, assertion and reasoning. Tell me first. For 26, what is the correct option? I'll read the assertion and reason. Assertion. Assertion is the removal of nitrogen waste products from the body. Reason. In human beings, excretory products in form of soluble nitrogen compounds are removed by nephrons in the kidneys. So what it is?
Assertion is false, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wrote both assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am. Assertion is false because addition is not the removal of nitrogenous waste products, but excretion is only the removal of nitrogenous waste products, ma'am.
All wrote wrong then this. Digestion means the last part of the digestive system. The waste going outside a body is known as digestion. So this assertion is correct. Even the reason is also correct. But reason is not a correct explanation to the assertion. Here we are talking about the alimentary canal. But here we are talking about the nephrons and the kidneys. So it's not a correct explanation. All of you wrote it wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, assertion is false, but the reason is true, no, ma'am.
No, assertion also is true. Digestion means the last step in the digestion.
Yes, ma'am, but it is not the removal of nitrogenous waste.
How is feces going to come out? Feces or urine or anything, nitrogenous waste compounds only, no.
Okay, ma'am.
The nitrogenous waste compounds are what? Urea. Urea is the excretory product, no? So the nitrogen waste compound is nothing but urea. Okay, be careful. You know the answer, but somewhere you all of you have done the mistake. Next 27. Assertion. Intra-auricular septum separates the left atrium from the right atrium. Reason. Intraventricular septum separates the left ventricle from the right ventricle. What is the answer?
I wrote option B, ma'am. Assertion and reason, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion.
It's not a correct explanation.
Ma'am, because in first they are given about atrium, ma'am. If they given about atrium means that intra-auricular septum is for the flow
We're
of.
talking about the how the heart is divided.
Ma'am, if heart is divided means then the heart is divided to supply that oxygen and deoxygenated blood to different atom, no? So that the reason should be related to that only, no, ma'am. Then why it is mentioned as intraventricular septum, ma'am?
Means because the auricle is separated into two parts with that septum, when ventricle also is separated into two parts with the septum. I am thinking A is the answer. But let us see from wherever I have taken, I'll see whether it's A or B.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm from in my knowledge, I'm feeling it's a correct explanation to the whatever it is. Next one, 28. Assertion. Raw materials is needed for the photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water, and minerals. Reason. Nutrients provides energy to an organism. What do you think this is?
Ma'am, the assertion is false, but reason is true.
That also I wrote, ma'am.
Assertion is false. True? Because the carbon dioxide.
But minerals is not needed, ma'am. Instead
Minerals
of the
not
sunlight
there.
is
So
needed,
the assertion is wrong. Reason is true. That's all. That is debate. Next 29. Tell me. Fast.
Ma'am, option C, ma'am.
Tell me, glycolysis, what you tell me like that?
Cytoplasm.
Yes.
Human muscles.
Lactic acid. Mitochondria. ATP synthesis. Yeast is fermentation. Pyruvate is 3-carbon compound, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
but in option C, ma'am, it is given as 4C, ma'am. The option C, lactic acid is repeated twice, ma'am.
Okay, okay. No problem. If you have kept C, I'll put a correct one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next one.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer, ma'am?
Yeah, please tell me.
Ma'am, heart is surrounded by a double layered membrane called the pericardium, surrounds your heart like a sac, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Pericardium.
Pericardium. So not one bit, you'll be getting at least two fill in the blanks. Okay. Usually from biology, there will be only one. Remaining you'll be getting from physics and chemistry. Okay. So let us start with the section B. What is the role of the respiratory pigment in respiration? Give one example. So I think so all of you must have written about the hemoglobin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Example is hemoglobin. You need to write small thing about hemoglobin, what it carries, oxygen, carbon dioxide. And if possible, also you can put that sigmoid curve also, what we have. In your textbook, it's not there, I think so, no? Okay, it's not there means no problem. You wrote all these points. So here the keywords are hemoglobin. What is the role of hemoglobin? To carry the oxygen from the lungs to the tissues, and also because hemoglobin can be attached to the oxygen molecule. Okay. And it also helps in maintaining RBC levels. And if there is a deficiency of hemoglobin, we may lead to anemia. Okay. All these points you need to write. Next one, 32 question. I write the reaction that represents the chemical change which takes place in the photosynthesis. What you wrote it?
Chemical equation for photosynthesis.
Yes, correct. Change the function of the chlorophyll.
I mean, it's mainly responsible for
It is used
trapping
to absorb light, ma'am.
Absorption of light, conversion of light energy to chemical energy, and also both the it will be useful also because the chlorophyll contains what? It contains chloroplast. So photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast. Both the formation of oxygen as well as formation of the fat glucose molecules or the food will be prepared inside the chloroplast, which is present inside the chlorophyll. Okay. So all these points you need to be writing, and all the plants have chlorophyll. All the green plants have chlorophyll, which will plays an important role in their food synthesis. Have you wrote all these points?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm getting an answer from Niranjan only. Remaining people?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Say the role of the respiratory system. Nasal hair.
and it filters the
Filters what?
air.
Filters aids, removes dust particles. Okay, you wrote dust particles, you need to write it.
Yes.
Next, diaphragm.
It contracts and flattens when you inhale. This creates a vacuum effect that pulls air into the lungs. When you exhale, the diaphragm releases and the air is pushed out of the lungs, ma'am.
Yes. Next, alveoli.
They enable gaseous diffusion with the blood capillaries, ma'am.
That thin wall, you need to write that one, please. Alveoli means first skin wall, they increase the surface area for gaseous exchange of gases from the lungs, while oxygen from the lungs to the blood and carbon dioxide from blood to the lungs. Nasal cavity.
Ma'am, the nasal cavity is a hollow space within the nose and skull that is lined with the hairs and mucous membrane. The function of the nasal cavity is to warm, moisturize, and filter air entering the body before it reaches the lungs, ma'am.
Remaining people, what you all wrote about nasal cavity?
Same thing only, ma'am. It condition.
Am I heard?
Hmm?
Ma'am, am I heard?
What, ma?
Am I heard, ma'am? Is my
Yes, you are
voice?
heard.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have you wrote it, Hamsini?
Yes, ma'am. I wrote the same answer.
Okay. Next one. Write the functions of each of the following components: heart, blood vessels, and lymph. I think so. What we have discussed in the class itself. All of you must have written this answer.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any doubts regarding it?
No, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
How is double circulation different from single circulation? Here, when they give an answer like this, you need to put a difference between double circulation and single circulation and write the points with examples.
Ma'am, I drew a tabular column. Is that fine?
A tabular column only, I'm telling you, need to put it in a tabular column. Also write the examples also, because it's a 3 marks question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Wrote, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Wrote it.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, differentiate between excretion and egestion. I think so. Ovia has written this first a bit wrong because she was confused with assertion and reasoning.
Yes, ma'am.
So as I told you, excretion means all the components will be complete. Excretion means removal of waste products. Complete process is known as excretion. Okay. Filtration, urine formation, everything comes under, and they have an excretory system. We have the complete excretory system. Egestion means it's a part of the alimentary canal where the final step in the digestion is removal of nitrogen waste through the, what is that? Through the anus. That is called as egestion. Okay. Next, urea and urine. Urea is a nitrogenous compound which is excreted especially by the human beings. Whereas urine is how is urine formed? Urine is a waste product, also a waste excretory product, and it is formed due to with the help of the nephrons which are present inside the kidneys. And the amount of urine formed will be depending on what? That's all you can write it. Hope you understood. And I think so all of you
Yes,
have written
ma'am.
the same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, give reasons to the following. Why is the diffusion not sufficient to meet the oxygen requirement of all the multicellular animals? Why?
Ma'am, all the
All
multicellular
this.
organisms may not be in direct contact with the surrounding environment. Ma'am, the simple diffusion will not meet the requirements of all the cells, ma'am.
Yes, because
I wrote the same, ma'am.
yeah,
ma'am.
they are not, they are multicellular. There are many cells are there. Most of them not in direct contact with the extracellular. The diffusion itself is not sufficient, or is, and in another terms you can write diffusion is a very simple process where the gaseous exchange takes place between a cell and the external environment. In case of multicellular organisms, the organisms are having cells. The cells forms into tissues, tissues forms into organs and organ systems, where it is very difficult the exchange of gases to be taking place. In that words also you can write. Anything is correct only. But try to line at least 3 or 4 lines because each one carries 1.5 mark. Next one. B. How desert plants perform photosynthesis if their stomata remains closed during day? I hope all of you know it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Again, I'm
ma'am.
repeating, carbon dioxide stomata are open only during night. So the carbon dioxide will be taken inside via stomata during the night time. So the light reaction takes place during the day, whereas dark reaction, that is formation of sugars, will be taking during the night. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
wrote it? Same way?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Explain with the help of a neat label diagram the different steps involved in the nutrition of amoeba. I think so all of you know this.
Yes, ma'am.
Explain why aquatic animals breathe heavier than the terrestrial animals. This also we have discussed very well.
Yes, ma'am.
What is dialysis? Explain. This also, I think so, you people know. And also there is also question on the top. Essay also is there on the top. Next one. In the experiment, to prepare the temporary mold of a leaf peel, which strain is preferred and how is extra strain on the slide removed? This is the experimental based question.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer, ma'am?
No, Niranjan, wait. You let remaining tell.
Ma'am, I wrote glycerin is used and
No. Strain I have asked. All of you have started writing the records.
Yes, ma'am. The stain is saffron, ma'am.
Saffron is
Saffron
used.
is the
Yes,
stain, ma'am.
ma'am. Saffron is used, ma'am, to prepare the temporary amount of leaf peel.
How
And
is extra strain is removed?
it is removed with the glycerin, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can remove the extra stain on the slide by a blotting paper, ma'am.
blotting paper only. I
People
also wrote
prefer
it.
blotting paper, ma'am.
By blotting, glycerin is different, Nana. Glycerin again does not come to picture in removal of the stain. Either by using water or by using blotting paper, we remove the extra stain.
Okay, ma'am.
Once all of you, please go through your records of the experimental questions. You may be getting at least one question in your 3 marks questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Final, let us fast conclude. So, right, section C. Actually, in section C, you will be having 6 marks. How many I have given you? 4, no? Usually, you will be having 6 or 7, I think so. This is where I have shortened it and I kept in 1 mark questions. So, first one, what are the different ways in which glucose is oxidized to provide the energy? I think so all of you have written the aerobic and anaerobic respiration.
Yes, ma'am, I wrote it.
The flow chart should be written and every point should be written because it is a 5 marks question. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
draw a diagram of human excretory system and label the renal artery, urethra and state the functions of this. I think so this I have repeated. Previously also I have given the same question. I have repeated it. So because it is one of the most commonly asked system, so that it will be a practice for you all. Next, when is blood clotting useful?
When we get cuts or wounds.
When we are wounded, to prevent the loss of blood clotting happens. In a flow chart, illustrate the 4-step major events involved in the blood clotting process. What you have written?
Ma'am, I have written the steps which will happen after the bleeding, ma'am.
Tell me.
First, when the injury happens, and then movement of WBC to the injured areas, ma'am. And then some of the signals from WBC will be sent to platelets, ma'am. And then clotting of platelets by blood and will happen as a plaster in that area, ma'am. And then movement of and then the vessels would be closed, ma'am, so that blood will move into it, ma'am. And then formation.
No, wrong, Nana, Niranjan. It's completely wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Any more?
Ma'am, I also thought the same thing as Niranjan wrote, ma'am, but then I did not write.
No. Tromin
Ma'am,
protromin will be converted to tromin.
yes, ma'am.
Fibrinogen will be converted to fibrin.
Yeah.
And above, finally, the fibrin will be going and fibrin will be going And
Ma'am, it will stop the bleeding, ma'am.
stop the. I'll give you the flow. I have in my presentation also. I think so.
Yes, ma'am, I wrote it, ma'am.
Yeah, please share with them. Who is having it? Sandhya, Ovia. Who is having that one? What you wrote? What I gave in the presentation?
Ma'am, I have, ma'am.
Anyway, all of you have this presentation, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but in that presentation, it's not there, I think, ma'am.
No, I shared with you all. Once check.
Okay, ma'am.
Not there, I will send again. Okay. That it is there in that presentation. That flow chart I want you all to read. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Niranjan, what you wrote is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Thrombin too, because in your textbook also it is there, but they did not give in form of a flow chart. Thrombin to thrombin, and in presence of thrombin, fibrinogen will be converted to fibrin. This goes near the wounded areas and blood clot will be formed. Okay. Also, blood wounds, accumulation of platelets, all these are flow chart is available. So please go through that flow chart.
Ma'am, you give the flow chart in that PPT, ma'am. I searched now, ma'am.
It's not there, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, not there.
Will you give, ma'am?
Then Movia is saying I have given.
She may got from her school, ma'am. I
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
know.
Okay,
In our
I'll give
school,
you
they
all.
didn't teach about it, ma'am.
I'll give you all. I'll give you all. Okay.
And they they taught us in school, ma'am, about the blood clotting. That's why, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you all now. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Give reasons. Let us finish this. Give reasons for the following. Glottis is covered by epiglottis. I think so. Why it is covered? To prevent the flow of fluid into the respiratory tracts.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lung alveoli are covered with dead capillaries. Why? Because to
For the
have
exchange
the
of
exchange
gas.
of gases. The walls of trachea are supported by cartilage rings. Prevents it
To
collapse.
Prevent from
that
collapse.
is not present.
Yes. So last question. List the two differences between Holozoic and saprophytic nutrition. I think so. It's a very easy question. State the roles of the liver and pancreas. You need to write what their main role. They say liver secrete bile, and bile is used what for emulsification of the fat as well as to create alkaline conditions. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice, and you should write what are the enzymes present in the pancreatic juice and what they digest. All of you have written all those things.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the organ which performs the following functions in the humans. Absorption of digested food. What it is?
Small intestine.
Small intestine.
Intestine.
Small intestine. Which part of the small intestine also you can write if we go in detail.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one.
Mm,
Mostly ileum and cesium. Okay. Absorption of water.
Large intestine.
Large
Large
intestine.
intestine. Yeah. Explain the statement. Bile does not contain any enzyme, but it is essential for digestion. Whatever the above I have told, no, the same thing you can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts till here in this question till here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Please note down this flow chart. I am going to open. One
Okay.
minute. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write. One minute, ma. Sorry, 1 minute. Please copy this one. So injured tissues will be releasing thromboplastin. So blood platelets disintegrate and release platelet factor 3, or it is also known as platelet thromboplastin. So with the help of calcium ions and proteins, they activate enzyme that is prothrombin kinase. The prothrombin kinase converts prothrombin to thrombin. And also inactivates the heparin. What is heparin is, this one prevents blood clotting. So in the inside the body, the blood should be flowing, should not clot. So we usually have high levels of heparin. So when injuries happen, this heparin should be blocked. Otherwise, there will be no blood clot formed. So I'm putting a arrow so that 1 minute. I'm not able to put any arrow. So this HPPRN. So it is an anticoagulant actually. Okay, to prevent it, first it should be blocked or it should be inactivated. So prothrombin is what it will do. It will convert the prothrombin to thrombin as well as inactivate the heparin. Next, now fibrinogen will be converted to fibrin in presence of thrombin. Okay, and so finally fibrin plus blood cells will form into a clot. Wrote, all of you?
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
written it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, any doubts in the paper?
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
So with this, I'm closing. So from next class, again, we'll be preparing chapter 2. I get still they have not sent me the papers. If they send me the papers, I'll give you marks by next week. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma, then. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Diwali,
Happy
ma'am.
Diwali to all of
Happy
you.
Diwali, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Celebrate safely. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Don't burn anywhere. Okay, ma. Bye. Be careful.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. And happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.